When using an IV pump and calculating non-critical care IV infusion medications like LR, normal saline, D5W, there are three basic formulas. First is the flow rate. It's written in milliliters per hour and is the most common one that you will use. There's infusion times and infusion volumes. On the next pages, I will give you an example of how to work the calculation. First is the flow rate. The order is to give 500 milliliters over 3 hours. How many milliliters per hour is that? So you just look at the volume and then you plug in your values. So the total volume to be infused is 500 milliliters and the time is over 3 hours. That equals 167 milliliters per hour that you'll program the pump at. The next is infusion time. You're in order to give 40 milliequivalents in 100 milliliters IV at 75 milliliters per hour. What is the infusion time? You look at your formula and plug in your numbers. So the total volume to be infused is 100 milliliters at 75 milliliters per hour equals 1 hour and 33-minute infusion time. The last one is infusion volumes. You have LR to infuse at 75 milliliters an hour over 8 hours. What is the infusion volume? Again, you look at the formula and plug in the information. So the infusion rate is 75 milliliters and it's to run over 8 hours. It equals 600 milliliters infusion volumes. Hope this video has been helpful. For more practice problems, there is a link below to get my book. And thanks again for watching. And please click the like and share buttons.